Get into a car with value. 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, chrome wheels. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.